Starting off the day looking at the clutch sleeve on this car. So the clutch sleeve is one from the ae86. This of course is the old TZ gearbox. It does fit, however it does sit on a bit of a funny angle and there's quite a bit of strain on the bolts and whatnot, so I'm going to try to pack them out with some washers. Only reason why is Joel Patterson in his 86. Broke his sleeve off, and he'd done the same trick as his 86 one, so I'm not sure what broke off, or whether the sleeve actually broke or if the bolt in the bow housing broke, but after hearing that I was like, might want to check mine before doing anything major. So yeah, give that a go. So I noticed while I was under here that when at full lock, the knuckle was actually touching whatever these bars are. So I've just ground them back a bit, so when it's hard turned, it doesn't actually touch it. So it was actually binding a bit on there. What you can see now is all clear. There's a gap in between. This one was a little bit worse for some reason. There's like now a nice gap in between. You actually see there the shiny bit was actually where it was hitting. So yeah, another job. The little thing fixed, and ended up putting a couple washers on the clutch sleeve. So you can see it sort of sits on a bit of an angle to actually get right on the right angle to get it. But I didn't have anything there, so it was basically just a gap. It's putting quite a bit of strain on the bolt and whatnot. So now at least it's fixed and it should be sweet.